Good morning and happy belated Christmas and happy New Year. Today na Boxing Day, December 26, 2018. Now when I begin never the talk. I never ever make audio for this revolution, but I get some very important news for bring them from my mommy, my papa, them, my cousin, the all my Bazonia family. Because this one a very important message and a plan for La Republique for end this revolution. If we not open our eyes and ears them for pay attention. La Republique get plan because the pressure don't mount on them. Since after the UN security meeting, behold, America don't intensify pressure on Cameroon for end the revolution because of their interest for Cameroon. That Chad Cameroon pipeline, the new H oil deal where they be signing for England with English company them for take oil for Bakassi. All those people, all that pressure, the people they fear say if the conflict not end, they could lose plenty money. So they don't hold Pobia tell you say Imos dialogue with no precondition for end this revolution. And Pobia don't agree. This whole thing started 2 months ago. And Pobia don't agree, but Pobia want negotiate or Pobia want dialogue. Now with people we naive selector, people we naive, they think say they be weak enough for dialogue for a one Cameroon solution. One Cameroon means we not go get independence, we not go get even the federation. And he don't appoint the master planner of them all, Atanganji, for lead this implementation. Some of these things they don't already start happen. Now just say well, people as gullible as the day, they follow like sheep, huh? They need to open their eyes. They need to open their ear for ask question. Say why this they happen, why that they happen. And I go start forgive una 18 step them, and inside the 8 step them una go see some of the things that don't already happen. And then una go start make una own conclusion whether they picking the talk na true or na lie. Pobia and Atanganji they don't do an assessment for the revolution. Means say they don't study the revolution, study each group. They look at the interim government. They say, you know, this group they show a large, will get with people inside, will feel manipulate them easily, will catch who don't get the leader them for prison, at least if we use the leader them for prison as a leverage. They put on one side. They look at AGC, they look at ADF. They say these people will not catch even their one person. They get a very strong force on the ground and they will not go talk anything except independence. They look at SCYL, they say, yeah, SCYL strong too for independence, palava, but you not get that large movement of people where if you know, fight back if anything happen. They look at Boha Berry Morris. They say, that one is just for, you know, that one not get no force on the ground and not get power for do anything. They look at Republican and Bazonia. They say, Paf, Godi don't be there since 1984. You know, he group get power, but you know, on diplomacy people, they don't fit shake ground, no way. So after all the assessment now, their focus, the IG and AGC and ADF. That's how they don't rate them. And they rate the AGC as strong, and they rate the IG as weak. Not weak in the sense of they not get power, weak in the sense they be easily convinced, they feel easily fool or take over IG because they get, I mean, they hold the leaders in for prison. So it makes sense. So they don't start for execute the plan. And by executing I mean say they don't start implementing for ground. The first thing where they want to do now for intensify the campaign for eliminate ADF fighters on the ground, which they don't start by killing their General Ivo as their first priority. They go frame ADF fighters for ground using agent provocateurs and for social media, where they will start writing, they make audios, call them kidnappers, call them ransom takers, arsonists, with all the purpose now for cause Ambazonian people for hate the ADF and stop for support them, whether now with money or whether now with anything. Even the people for ground now go even start call army them for ADF comes them, so that means they eliminate ADF fighters without knowing saying I think that what they do. We don't see how it happen already. Number two, they will go after the AGC. You remember, people don't know the difference. The ADF, now the army. The AGC, now the political wing way, now with Dr. Ayaba, the controller. They will go after Ayaba. They go blackmail him. As we already see, that the right above say don't take 150 million for Chief Mukete, sell it General Ivo. Mami, when I see play with General Ivo die, look the kind clothes we wear. Look the kind floor where he sleep. It look the man where he hold 150 million. But people don't already buy the story. Because that's all La Republic they intend for do. Use people them, they write, Chris Arnold them, Eric Tato them. They talk. Ayabachona La Republic, it don't take 150 million. Una go fall for it, like una don't already the fall. They could go after Ayabacho. Also again, now say, me and Bazonians them. They hate Ayabacho so that they go decide, say me no even join the dialogue party. Because they know so when he did for that dialogue party, now he go put a foot ground say it must be independence. So una open una eyes because it come. It already they happen. So if you don't wake up to one morning, say Ayabacho na Batman did no say na that way La Republic they do where the UC agents them, it don't enter your mind. And you don't believe that kind of story. If Ayabacho be get 200 million or 150 million from Chief Mukete, who for don't reach Boya, no man they ask how they pay the money, now for which bank account. If you not be no say Chief Mukete if he give 150, how I don't know how they pay the money. Who don't bring proof? For sure, say they be send the money now for bank account. You know if you carry 150 million, Ayabacho there for Europe. For carry 150 million, you go carry the how? Go give in a cash. If that money they miss, if I go advise me, Ayabacho take them. Because I know say you go take that money, go buy an AK-47, they for give fighters them for ground. Number three, they will use newspaper them for Cameroon and outside Cameroon. Very soon, when I go start see Francophone, Anglophone newspaper them. They don't coerce them, they don't force them, say if they don't do them, they will seize their licensing. They will start publish all kind article about Ayaba and ADF as evil, you know, harassing, sabotaging. Una go read and say, child, the picking Ayaba na bad picking. The AGC will know one time, will know 1 year. That's so they will play for una mind small. And they talk say, this thing they never start, some of the thing they never start happen. And they tell una say, it go happen. And when una see that newspaper them, una know say una picking below, tell una. Number 4, Cameroon government officials then will start make statement then. Say they don't meet up ADF and ADF leadership and they work with them. Una go believe them. But all na lie. It don't go happen. The AGC, ADF will know. They no go sit down with La Republic. No way. Number 5, they go set meeting with Anglophone them, take pictures. They go even set meeting with some AGC people, the way they no go know say nothing that way they plan. Take pictures and send them for newspaper for show say AGF, AGC, they work with La Republic. All this sabotage they come. When una see them, una talk say, una be already know say they come. Number 6, we know that the people don't plan agents them inside that IG. We know them. And even inside that ASC. And that's why you see they will kill a lot of fighters. That's why when I see they take money from my trip to Boya, they not buy even one gun. When I see picture we don't come out Jakiri today. For inside local government by local government, their headquarters for Jakiri. They don't slaughter that picking them. Which kind gun they be hold and then gun. It is all part of the plan. The reason why they not buy them, gun them, now for fool now. La Republic will eliminate all that fighters them for ground zero, all that general them. Fi Marshal, Commando, Nambere, Arke, where they don't release them today. La Republic will kill them all. So that me ground zero no get no man if he oppose that dialogue after when they don't call him. So in the next few weeks, when I go see, they will kill a lot of Pekin them on the ground. All that fighters them. Because that ASC people, they show their location them. When I don't see, they don't come today. They don't ban AMF. Now part of the plan. When I don't see, Elisimi don't come out today, right? Say don't do census for ground zero. 90% is support na IG. That's part of the plan. They go kill AGC, AGF. They go prop IG, Muna believe them. Say na IG be the only group na part of the plan. Number 7, Cameroon go offer we small thing them. For example, they go say we will make una the vote on our own governor. We to go glad. Say, we don't get if we vote to own governor, we don't get we independent. But guess what will happen? That way they say una fit vote on our own mayor. They can appoint government delegate. And that's what they go do. Before the one go sit down for that dialogue, they will give we small appeasement them. We too will foolishly take them. Glad oh government now support we government like we did this. Mami una open una eye. It calm. They will bring una gallon granite oil. Chop, create mimbo. Una chop am, drink am. But remember, say, all the picking the way they don't fight die so. If we go, she don't agree for one Cameroon agenda, they will not betray who picking them. And remember, we don't the cost function them, muna them. Now so now time for sure say we na never again generation. We are never going back. Independence is what we want. Number 8, after they don't succeed for all these things, if we don't fight back, then Cameroon will call for dialogue around February, March. After AGC and ADF, they don't be battered, they don't be decimated. Then they don't make IG, as we don't see here today, Eli Smith, they don't start them. That Eli Smith, una remember that the man that will replace Munzu. And me, I know first hand, say Eli Smith, Kadina Tumi, they talk with IG every day. I get proof. Remember, Chris Arnold, we make that day we be called Ghost Town, say me Ghost Town, me the council Ghost Town for Christmas, say leader them for ground zero. No man will be asked who be that leader them for ground zero. But they tell you now today, that IG leader them for ground zero, now that Eli Smith and Kadina Tumi them, for that age where they organize the all Anglophone conference. And now the people that way I don't select them for dialogue with. So that people now they convince the IG, you know, for go sit for that dialogue for one Cameroon. We know all Baladen. They don't go Switzerland, some Swiss people them now they go cash it on. But it's all about one Cameroon. Una open una eyes. And if all fail, they get Seseko and he lead them for jail. They will use them as a bargaining chip. They will threaten them. So if they not sign the one Cameroon deal, they not go release them. And they go end up signing. So my mommy, my papa, my brother them, the independence who they want and so. Not be all man. Some people the way they not stand the heat. They don't be ready for quit. Some people don't take money who no know. Some people no fee wait for go boya. They don't promise someone them position them. All of the ask. I know I talk say leave your IG, leave your AGC. All of the talk now say open your eyes. If independence now what you una want, una start pick una phone them. Start call that IG people. Start call that Kadina Tumi them. Una go for internet, for Facebook. Una make message. Una send them for village. Me all Ambazonian they hear the truth. At the fear for which I don't hear the calm. If una want na independence, una sound the alarm, una call the leader them, tell them say, nothing short of independence. Even if it means say, Seseko go remain for prison, people don't die. There is no way Ambazonians them, that 400,000 refugees where they sleep for village, for forest, begin the way they don't shoot them every day like pigs. They drag someone there for Bangora, Uzuzuki them. Then some people they shit on for back, for negotiate, for go dialogue for one Cameroon at the expense of all this. Mami, Papa, na 2019 this the calm. All the two I don't tell una so. Now the truth and nothing but the truth. All this information, a commoner for their own very calm carnage for me. And I need to talk now, say this or that. Una open una eyes. Una call una leaders. Una defend una independence. May God bless Ambazonia. May God bless una. Now the only duty this one I get for talk. Now up to una for decide whether una want to remain with Cameroon or whether una want to remain independent. So I thank una very much and I wish una a merry, a happy new year and happy 2019.